Hello and thank you for joining me. It's Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and today is the day that our mini catalogue goes live. So this video is going out on the 4th of September 2024. So I can now let you see inside, and I am going to be using one of the cute little sweets, but I will put a link to the UK catalogue in the description for this video, so that you can check it out and shop with me if you are in the UK. So there's memories and more, and there's kits, and there's everything going live today. It's fabulous, and I have shown you some things I've played with, but today I am going to use the Reindeer Days, and I'm just using designer series paper for this. So you can get this super cute stamp set. There are dies, and these are also in the suite as well. So we've got these little peppermint, what are they called? Yeah, real red and white adhesive backed peppermints embellishments. Then we've got an embossing folder, real red and white twine, and there's some book treat boxes in there as well. But as I say, I'm just using designer series paper. There is also a pack of Reindeer Days memories and more cards that you can use, that have got some stickers and things in there as well. So super cute. I'm going to show you the paper. That is absolutely adorable. Such sweet little reindeers, and I'm going to call it a snowman. I'm not sure if it's a snow, whatever it is. And I really like that as well. So jingle bells on that one. More prancing and smiling and gorgeous reindeer on there. Then there are some gifts already wrapped up. Then we've got this cute reindeer, and I'm going to be using this in today's project, and also using the reverse side with that holly. Some smaller reindeer dancing their way across the page on that one, and some lovely Christmas lights on that side. And we've got, isn't that just too cute? So sweet. And the mummy and her baby. Just lovely. And other side of that is this super bright and bold check pattern. Then we've got these gorgeous little scenes here. You can just imagine that as a card front. You would just need a sentiment on that. Perfect. And then we have some more trees on that. Now, I have already created a card with this paper. Let me just get it for you. Here it is. So I've used that in the background, and that paper with the reindeer there. So I just cut along there and cut it into sections. So I've got one on there as if it's a little Polaroid photograph on that background there, and I've used some of the trim on there as well. Okay, so my coordinating project today is this one. Let me take all the paper and everything else out the way so we can see what we're dealing with. So just a cute little treat package. This bit just tucks under there and then reveals a little cute packet of sweeties in there. I've just used a little bit of adhesive on there to hold that in place. And as I say, that just tucks down in there. So I trimmed that designer series paper down to 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. Then I've got a piece of white card that is 2 inches by 2 inches to back that. I have a piece of the designer series paper that measures 3 1/4 by 8 1/4. And I need to do a little bit of scoring on that, and I should have a little bit, yes I do, a little scrap to add my sentiment. Now this could be any kind of Christmassy sentiment. I happen to have used a stamp set from the annual catalogue and used this winter greetings, which is the same as what I put on that card. So let's just quickly go ahead and do some scoring, some stamping and gluing, and a little bit of stapling as well. The word went away from me there. So on the long side of this, I want to score it at 1 inch. I'm just double checking because I kind of want that to be the right way up. And the reason I picked this particular paper to do this with is because it's non-directional. If you use a directional print, then it would be upside down on at least one bit. So that was scoring at 1 inch and then at 4 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and that is it. And folding that bit up like that, and then this bit will fold down. And as you can perhaps see, let me just see if I can, let's put that there so the edge doesn't come all the way to the bottom on that. Okay, so super simple, quick and easy to do, great for little party gifts. Don't know what I'm doing with that glue. This is the glue I want. Just going to add this piece onto there. Yeah, nice little party favours. I am going to a team event at the end of this month, and these might make nice little swaps as well. So I'm just putting that piece of card there so I can see that that's my score line here, and I want to kind of make sure I've got a reasonably similar margin either side there. I could just line that up along that bit there, and I'm doing this while it's flat because it's just easier. So popping that, try and get it straight, Heather. Right, so that is along that score line. That is straight, that is not. I'll take it up a little bit like that. Happy with where that is, give that a good press down, especially at the edges, so it doesn't pop up when you put that bit in like that. Okay, I've got two I've done already. I have plans for these. So I am going to do this bit before I put my sweeties in as well. So I've folded that over. I'm going to put some staples, if I can find where I put my stapler. There it is, just along that bottom piece there. Now there's only 1/4 of an inch difference there, so I can use that as my guide to make sure that I'm not stapling too far up. Then any kind of tape runner or a glue dot, another packet of sweeties, pop that in there. I did just fold that over a little bit and press that down. They're not straight, also all at one side in the packet. Rustle, rustle. Right, press that down on there. Not going to fall off. And then just tuck that under there. You could leave it like that. You could add a piece of ribbon round it if you wanted to. I just thought I would add a little sentiment. Already got mounted up, and this is just a random scrap of basic white. Ink that up with my real red ink. Try and get it close to the bottom and straight. That'll do. And then I can bring in my trimmer again. And I will just trim that down. Could just use the scissors for that even. And trim it down at the top there as well. That's it, that'll do. Glue on the back of that. And so you just need to make sure that whatever sentiment you put on there does not, isn't wider than an inch, because that's the width of your bottom piece there. So about 7/8 is a good width for your little sentiment piece there. And there we have it. Just to add some embellishments, I just went with the good old-fashioned rhinestones. Here's my take your pick one up. Didn't want to work that time. I think I've got too much putty on the end, I think. Let me just take some of that off. I must have squeezed it and got extra out. On there. And I'll do another one here, like that. There we go. I have 3. I have more to make. But aren't these absolutely adorable? Quick and easy little treat pouches. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. If you're new to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button, click on the bell, get a notification the next time I upload a tutorial. If you're not new, you know what to do. Please click the thumbs up and leave me a comment if you've enjoyed this. Until the next time, please do take care. Bye-bye.